We've all been there, settling in for a movie or an important video call only to be interrupted by endless buffering or frozen screens. It's maddening when your home Wi-Fi, the lifeline to your digital world, lets you down. You pay for reliable internet, so why put up with dead zones and slow speeds? The truth is, you don't need to be a tech expert to fix most Wi-Fi issues. Many solutions are simple, free, and can be done in minutes. Before you call your provider or buy new gadgets, let's walk through practical steps to boost your Wi-Fi. We'll cover everything from finding the best spot for your router to quick setting tweaks that make a big difference. No jargon, no complicated setups, just easy fixes anyone can do. By the end, you'll know how to banish dead zones and enjoy fast, reliable internet throughout your home. Ready to take control of your Wi-Fi? Let's dive in. To fix slow Wi-Fi, you need to know what's causing it. Outdated routers are a common culprit. They simply can't keep up with today's connected homes. Poor placement is another big issue. Hiding your router in a closet or behind furniture blocks the signal. Wi-Fi signals struggle through walls, metal, and even water, so location matters. Electronic interference from microwaves, cordless phones, and Bluetooth devices can also jam your signal. Living in an apartment? Neighboring networks can crowd the airwaves, slowing you down. And don't forget device overload. Too many gadgets fighting for bandwidth will drag speeds down. Each device takes a slice of your internet pie, and too many slices mean less for everyone. Identifying these issues is the first step to a faster, more reliable connection. Let's tackle them one by one. The easiest way to boost your Wi-Fi? Move your router. Place it in a central, open spot. Think of the signal like ripples in a pond. The more central, the better the coverage. Elevate your router on a shelf or mount it on a wall. Signals travel down and out, not up. Avoid hiding it in cabinets or behind objects. Obstructions weaken the signal. Keep it away from electronics like microwaves and large metal appliances, which cause interference. Even fish tanks can absorb Wi-Fi signals, so steer clear of those too. Give your router space to breathe. An open area helps the signal reach every corner. A little strategic repositioning can eliminate dead zones and improve speeds instantly. Test different spots if needed. Sometimes a few feet make all the difference. Think of your router as a lighthouse. Let it shine. This simple move costs nothing and can transform your home network. Don't underestimate the power of good placement. Ready for the next step? Let's fine-tune your settings. With your router in the right spot, let's tweak a few settings for maximum performance. First, check your Wi-Fi channel. Crowded channels mean slower speeds, especially in apartments. Log into your router's settings, the address is usually on a sticker, and switch to a less used channel. Use a free Wi-Fi analyzer app to find the best option. Next, use the right Wi-Fi band, 2.4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed. Connect close devices like your TV or gaming console to 5 GHz and farther devices to 2.4 GHz. Update your router's firmware regularly. Manufacturers release updates to boost performance and security. Look for a firmware update or administration section in your router's settings. Set a reminder to check for updates every few months. These quick tweaks can dramatically improve your Wi-Fi without spending a dime. Don't be afraid to explore your router's settings. Most changes are just a click away. A few minutes here can save you hours of frustration. Now, let's look at some DIY tricks to boost your signal even more. Beyond placement and settings, there are clever tricks to get more from your Wi-Fi. Start with a simple reboot. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. For stubborn dead zones, try a DIY reflector. Use aluminum foil or a soda can behind the antennas to direct the signal where you need it. Manage your bandwidth. Pause big downloads when streaming or working. Use your router's quality of service (QoS) feature to prioritize important devices or apps. Disconnect unused devices. Even idle gadgets use up bandwidth. Fewer connected devices mean more speed for the ones you actually use. These small steps can make a noticeable difference, no tech degree required. If you've tried every free fix and your Wi-Fi is still slow, it might be time for new hardware. Routers older than 4 or 5 years can't handle today's demands. Upgrading to a modern model can be a game changer. New routers support more devices, faster speeds, and better coverage. For dead zones, consider a Wi-Fi extender. It rebroadcasts your signal to hard-to-reach areas. Remember, extenders can cut your speed in half, so they're best for basic browsing, not heavy streaming or gaming. If your whole house is slow, upgrade the router. If just one area is dead, try an extender. Diagnose your problem. Speed everywhere means new router, dead spots mean extender. The right hardware makes all the difference. For large homes or tricky layouts, mesh Wi-Fi systems are the ultimate solution. Instead of one router, mesh systems use a main unit and several satellite nodes placed around your home. These nodes work together to create seamless whole-home coverage, no more dead zones. Mesh systems intelligently route your data for fast, consistent speeds everywhere. Setup is easy with a smartphone app that guides you through placement and settings. You can manage your network, run speed tests, and set up guest access right from the app. Mesh systems cost more, but they deliver reliable, top-tier performance for challenging spaces. If you want flawless coverage in every room, mesh is the way to go. You don't have to settle for slow, unreliable Wi-Fi. Simple steps like moving your route or tweaking settings and rebooting can make a huge difference. Don't be intimidated by the technology, you have the power to fix most issues yourself. Experiment with placement settings and device management to find what works best for your home. If needed, upgrade your hardware for even better results. Every home is different, so keep trying until you find your perfect setup. Share your Wi-Fi challenges and solutions in the comments. Let's help each other get the fast, seamless internet we all deserve. Take control, banish dead zones, and enjoy the connectivity you've been dreaming of. Your Wi-Fi, your rules, start optimizing today.